Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. And you have to start by perform a soft reset, so put it to the charging case, and after that remove it from the charging case, so the earbuds is reconnected to your phone, and maybe it fixes your problem. Also, it happened when you have, let me show you. Let's go to the controls, and when you have, your controls set to none. So just change it to something, let's say to volume down and volume up, and check. Maybe it fixes your problem. And also sometimes happen because you tap really bad on this touch areas. So the touch area is located right here, and you should press on it right here. And it's the same with the right one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.